on a porch swing that was under this gazebo overlooking Florida, marshy, flat, probably part of the river system, which eventually goes to the ocean. I'm guessing there are alligators back in there, but this is pretty far inland, central Florida, little south of Gainesville. Ugh. But anyway, I'll give you kind of a look at the landscape here. Yeah, pretty much as far as the eye could see. So I actually am finding some peace here. Nobody else here. I think that it's time for me to leave Florida though. It's time to start heading home to Alaska. It's getting a little bit late, and some instinct kicked in this morning. I like to fool around and make videos and poke fun at myself, but there's some kind of survival instinct or something that tells me to start heading back. I'm going to meander along the way. I got some 4 states I have to golf in still, but yeah, like that bridge, it was the beginning of something and the end of something, and I'm at that crossroads now, that point of return, which I definitely want to do. I'm an Alaskan, a Pittsburgher, and a traveler and a wanderer, all in one. Goodbye.